Dear students, welcome to the program. Today I am with you. I am Said Firoz Alam. How are you, dear students? I hope all of you are fine. Today I will discuss a lesson from Unit 4 and it is lesson 8. You know that we are reading Unit 4 and the title of the unit is People Who Make a Difference. And you can see the learning outcomes here. Now let us learn today's learning outcome of this lesson. After we have studied the lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, read and understand text, tell about parts of a letter, write answers to questions, write personal letters. Now you can see the learning outcomes of today's lesson here. Dear students, you can see a picture here. Can you guess the picture? Yes, it is a picture of a letter and you can see different parts here. Suppose in the first part you can see date, you can also write address here, date and address. Then you can see salutation or greetings, then you can see the body, then you can see conclusion, then you can see closing, then your signature. So these are the parts of a letter. Dear students, do you want to see a video? Okay, let's see a video. So dear students, you have got a clear idea how to write an informal letter and different parts of a letter. Now, our today's lesson is Hriday gets a letter from his cousin. Let us learn some word meaning from this lesson. First one, immediately. You can see the Bangla meaning as well as English meaning here. Immediately means without delay or soon. Morality shop. It is a shop without a shopkeeper. Surprised. It means feeling or showing surprise. Explain. It means make an idea or situation clear to someone by describing it in more detail. Community. It means a group of people living in the same place or having a particular characteristics in common. At large, it means at liberty, escaped or not yet captured. Quite, it means to the utmost extent or degree. Dear learners, I hope the word meanings are clear to you. Now, let us start our today's lesson. Read the letter Hriday got from his cousin Riya. In this letter, you can see that there is address and date at the beginning of the letter. Riya is writing from Jonakipur High School, Post Office, Jonakipur District, Nilphamari, 12th May 2013. Dear Hriday, thank you for your letter of 1st May. In this letter, Riya first thanks Hriday for his letter of 1st May. It gives us such an exciting piece of news. The letter gives them such an exciting piece of news. I cannot still believe that there could be a shop without a shopkeeper. She tells that she cannot still believe there could be a shop without a shopkeeper. I told about it to my relatives, friends, classmates, and of course, my teacher, Miss Nishad. She tells about the shop to her relatives, friends, classmates, and to her teacher, Miss Nishad. Everybody was surprised. Everybody was surprised to know about the shop. Miss Nishad liked the idea so much that she immediately talked about it to her head teacher. Her class teacher, Miss Nishad, liked the idea so much that she immediately talked about the shop to the head teacher. We had already a meeting in our school with teachers and students. They had already had a meeting with the teachers and the students. At the beginning of the meeting, the head teacher asked me to talk about the morality shop in your school. At the beginning of the meeting, the head teacher asked Riya to tell about the shop in your school. At first, I read out part of your letter and then I explained how such a shop in your school is greatly helping you, the students, teachers, and the community at large. At first, I explained the idea and I told how the shop is helping you, the students, the teachers, and the people of the community at large. The head teacher was quite positive about the usefulness of such a shop. The head teacher was pleased and he was quite positive about the usefulness of such a shop. He formed a committee with Miss Nishad and 2 other teachers and some senior students to draw up a plan for opening a morality shop in our school. The head teacher then formed a committee with Miss Nishad and 2 other teachers and some other senior students, and he formed the committee to draw up a plan for opening a morality shop in their school. Isn't it great? Actually, it was great. You will be glad to know that I am on the committee too, and Hriday will be glad to know that Riya was on the committee too. I am coming to see you morality shop with a friend of mine next weekend, and Riya tells that in the next week she will come to Hriday with her friend. See you then. Give my regards to aunt and uncle. All the best, Riya. So dear students, let us do some exercise from this lesson today. Here you can see some questions. First one, who is writing the letter? To whom is she writing? Number B, what couldn't Riya believe? Number C, whom did she tell about it? D, who liked the idea so much? What did she do? E, why did the head teacher form a committee? Dear learners, can you guess the answer? Okay, let's see the answer. The first question was, who is writing the letter? To whom is she writing? The answer is, Riya is writing the letter. She is writing the letter to her cousin Hriday. Number B, what couldn't Riya believe? The answer is, Riya couldn't believe that there could be a shop without a shopkeeper. Can you believe there could be a shop without a shopkeeper? Okay. Number C, Whom did she tell about it? The answer is, she told about it to her relatives, friends, classmates and her teacher, Miss Nishat. You may have a question here. In the question, you can see the verb is tell, but in the answer, we have written it as told. Because if there is did in the question, you have to write the past form of the verb. Number D, who liked the idea so much? What did she do? You know that the answer is Miss Nishat liked the idea so much. She immediately talked about it to the head teacher. Number E, why did the head teacher form a committee? The answer is, the head teacher formed a committee to draw up a plan for opening a morality shop in their school. Dear learners, I hope the answer of these questions are clear to you. So, what we have learned from this lesson today? From this lesson, we can learn that Riya is writing a letter to Hriday. She is very glad to receive the letter from Hriday, and the letter gives her an exciting piece of news, and it was about a morality shop. At first, she couldn't believe that there could be a shop without a shopkeeper. Then she told about it to her friends, relatives, and with her classmates and to her class teacher, Miss Nishat. Everybody was surprised. At the beginning, they also could not believe that there could be a shop without a shopkeeper. Then, Miss Nishat told about it to their head teacher. Then they had a meeting with the teachers and the students. At the first, head teacher asked Riya to tell about the morality shop in Hriday's school, and Riya informed them about the shop of Hriday's school. Then the head teacher was very positive about the usefulness of this shop. Then the head teacher formed a committee with Miss Nishat and two other teachers and some other senior students to draw up a plan for opening a morality shop in their school. And it was a great piece of news that Riya was on the committee. And at the end of the letter, Riya informs Hriday that in the next week, she will come to visit Hriday and she will visit their school. And then she requests Hriday to convey her regards to Hriday's parents. And you have learned some answers from these lessons. So, that's all for today's lesson. Now, I will give you some homework. You can see the homework in the screen. Suppose you are Hriday. Suppose that you are Hriday. Suppose you have received a letter from Riya. Now, write a reply to Riya's letter. You have to write a reply to Riya's letter. Or if you have any opinion that you want to share with us, you can mail us.